Everyone, I request to stand up. Leia, I request to lead the prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Again, good morning, grade 4. Good morning, teacher. So, how are you all today? We're fine, teacher. That's nice to hear. So, please remain standing for our inner advisor. So, I want you to do is follow the video. So, did you enjoy our energizer? Yes, teacher. Okay, you now take your seat. But before we begin to our class, please, I will check your attendance by row. So, this row said, very good. No one is absent. This row said, very good. Okay, sit down. How about the row 3? Stand up. Very good. You are all present. So, do you want to play a game in class? Yes, teacher. So, this game is called Scramble Game. I mean Scramble letters. So, please read the direction. Arrange the scrambled letters to form the names of Greek gods. So, what I have here is some pictures with their scrambled names. So, look at this picture. Who do you think this is? Okay, Lian? Uranus, teacher. Very good. The answer is Uranus. So, everyone say Uranus. Uranus. Very good. So, look at this next picture. Who do you think this is? Uranus, teacher. Very good. This is Uranus. So our story for today is the story of Brutus. Long ago, before the famous gods ruled the world, there lived a powerful titan named Cronus. Cronus was the son of Uranus, the sky, the earth, like the Gaia, the earth. But Uranus was not a kind father. He was cruel in keep some of his children locked away deep inside the earth. This made Gaia very sad enough. One day, Gaia asked her children for help. Only Cronus was brave enough to stand up. With special tool given by his mother, Cronus stabbed his father and became the new ruler of the world. At first, everything was peaceful. People lived happily and the world was calm. Cronus loved his wife Maria. But soon, Cronus heard a scary warning. One day, his own child would take his place as ruler. Cronus became afraid. He didn't want to lose his power. So every time he had a baby, Cronus did something terrible. He swallowed the baby to keep from growing up. Rhea was heartbroken. When her youngest baby was born, she made a clever plan. She hid the baby, Zeus, in the same place. Then she wrapped a stone in a cloth and gave it to Cronus. Thinking it was the baby, Cronus swallowed instead. Zeus grew up and strong and brave. When she was older, he returned to Prince Cronus. Made Cronus beat up his brother and sisters, who were still alive. Together, they challenged Cronus. And a great battle followed. And again, Zeus and his siblings won. And Cronus was no longer the ruler. And so, Zeus became the new king. So, did you enjoy our story, class? Yes, teacher! Alright, class, if you paid attention to our story, it's game time. Let's play Spin the Wheel. I will call student to stand up in front and spin the wheel. There are 6 questions. On Okay, let's spin the wheel again. Okay, you landed on number 5. Let's see what is the question on number 5.
Do you think Prudence was right to be afraid of prophecy? Why or why not? No, he was not right. It is okay to feel scared, but he should not hurt his children.
Good. So, anyone who wants to answer more? So let's spin the wheel. Okay, you landed on number 2. Let's see if the question is hard or easy. Okay, your question is very easy. Who is Kronos? Kronos is a powerful Titan teacher. Very good. Let's see. Last question. I will spin that. So, you landed on number 2. So, let's see what is the question of number 2. What was the title of the story? The title of the story is all about the story of Kronos teacher. Very good. So the title of our story is The Story of Kronos. So the story of Kronos teaches us that fear and greed can lead to bad consequences, while trust and love bring peace. Because of fear, Kronos swallowed his children and lost his chance to be a happy family. Yet he still lost his power. This shows that trying to stop destiny can cause more problems. So we should think wisely and not fear control our decision. For example, mistake of being afraid and doing something harmful when we face problems. We should think wisely and choose what is right. We should learn from Kronos' mistake and choose love, trust, and good decision. So I will group you into 3. So this will be the group.